Hello, Barry in Greenhall. Just thought I'd give you a quick overview of our absolutely stunning Combo Life 7-seater vehicle that has just come on the market. Price on this car starts at €28,300. That's in the long wheelbase version with 7 seats. So massive value on this car. As you can see from the exterior of the car, an absolutely stunning looking vehicle coming standard with your alloys, your fog lamps, your rear parking sensors, all standard in this car. Come on over, look at the side. Great access, both sliding doors, so very easy for lads getting in and out in tight parking spots. You have your individual folding seats in this particular guy, which just slot down. Very easy to get in and out of this particular car. We'll come around to the rear. Our Combo Life, very striking from the rear of the car as well, and extremely practical. Just open the boot here, just to give you an idea. As I say, with your 7-seater long wheelbase, you have your 2 extra seats here, which are a superb size. Very easy, take these out. You just fold one down, do a little clip here, pull, and then you can just lift out your seat. So you have a complete flat compartment with this particular guy. You can have 1 in, or 2 in, or you can have both with them out. Also, you can get the option, which is very nifty in this guy, of opening a rear back window only. Gives you great access into the car then as well. As I was saying, 2 rear sliding doors on this guy, and again, it's so simple to fold these seats down. Basically just a little lever here and it just folds flat like that. So you can actually make a complete van out of this car if you wish. Front cabin is extremely spacious and very comfortable for the front 2 passengers. You have a beautiful screen with sat nav on this guy, well mounted exterior, very easy to access, very safe for the driver. You also have your climate control system in this car, and you have a lovely raised gear lever on this, so very easy to change and use, very easy to live with. Very nice system on this guy. Plenty pocket space in this, both overhead, and you also have side pockets and plenty room on this for storing, and loads of pocket space again, so makes it very easy to live with. Have a lovely option on this guy as well of your raised system, giving you your speed, giving your traffic signs, all again very easy, very friendly towards the driver. Superb safety features as well in this car coming standard. You have your traffic sign recognition, which gives you the speed zones you're in, and if you're exceeding the speed zone, will flash up and warn you. You also have your lane departure warning standard in this car, excellent feature again in this, as well as collision alert system, which warns you if you're coming too near to the car in front of you too quickly, it'll give you a warning. So really helping the driver in this vehicle. So very easy to live with, looks exceptionally well, this particular car. So why not give John or Barry a call to experience this vehicle on 022 23 338. Thanks for watching.